Hi everyone, Richard from Aqua Essentials here today, and as promised I was wanting to talk about a few plants that are easy to grow. Now we get quite a few emails all the time, customers looking for simple and straightforward plants. So here's just 3 of them that I think you're going to like, and all of these are simple. Let me find the first one. So the first one's called Bacopa plexicornis. Now if I just drag this one out here, it's right, here we go. It's kind of flopping over at the moment because it's quite big. So this one's called Bacopa plexicornis. Grows up to about 40 centimeters tall. Ever so easy. As you can see, it grows fast. That's how fast it's grown, because it's literally flopping over with us now. Grows up to 40 centimeters. Needs the usual sort of lighting, to be honest, moderate lighting. You can cultivate it just by trimming it and then replanting it. That's Bacopa plexicornis. That's the first one that's really straightforward. The second one from our table of Echinodorus, which looks absolutely fantastic at the moment. You can see that. So many of these in at the moment. Okay, so we have got Echinodorus rubra. Right, let's grab this one here. I hold this one back so you get an idea of the size. Now, this one normally just grows to 30 centimeters. It's been so warm recently that you can see it's grown a lot bigger. It's probably more about 40 centimeters at the moment, but it's still a very easy to grow plant. See, it's got nice dark colored leaves there and very thick stems, if you can see that all right. Okay, so that's Echinodorus rubra, which is a beginner plant, easy plant, call it what you will, but it's straightforward, not going to cause you any troubles. Now, cryptocorns are a favourite of mine because they are slow growing. On the whole, they are generally quite easy as well. If I just pan back here, you can see we've got several hundred in at this stage. Pretty normal for us, really. Now, here's one that's actually grown by Tropica, and it's called Cryptocorn willisii. Okay. Now this one, you can see it is small. I just pan it back like that, okay. Normally grows from 7 to 20 centimeters or so. Very low demands on anything. What you'll see as this one starts to grow in your aquarium is that it will throw out runners and gradually start to creep that way. So Cryptocorn willisii, that's a very straightforward and easy to grow plant. So as always, got a super selection of plants in at the moment. Plants looking better than ever, nearly into August now. The heat wave is here, so plants are just looking stronger than ever. So if you're after quality plants that you need it fast, you know what we've got. And otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.